If your Microsoft OneDrive is not syncing properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix that you can try on Windows in just a few minutes. We'll start with the basics, then move into the most common OneDrive sync troubleshooting steps so you can get your files updating again without the stress. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. First, check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sync files, so if your Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected, that can stop everything right away. Try opening a few websites to confirm your internet is working normally. Next, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign into your account. Once it loads, make sure your files appear correctly there. If your files are showing up in the browser version of OneDrive, that usually means your cloud account is fine and the issue is likely on your PC. Now go ahead and restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches, refresh background services, and fix sync issues faster than you might expect. After your PC turns back on, look at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen and click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you do not see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. When OneDrive opens, check whether syncing is paused. This is a very common reason files stop updating. If syncing is paused, click the gear icon or the settings menu and look for the option to resume syncing. Once you turn it back on, OneDrive should start working again. If syncing is still not working, the next step is to unlink your PC and sign in again. To do that, click the OneDrive cloud icon again, go to the gear icon, open settings, and then navigate to the accounts tab. Look for the option that says unlink this PC, then click it and confirm. This disconnects the current sync connection without deleting your files, so it is a safe step when OneDrive gets stuck. After unlinking, open OneDrive again from the Start menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account, then follow the prompts carefully as OneDrive sets itself back up. Make sure you use the same account that contains the files you want to sync. Once you finish the sign-in process, let OneDrive complete its setup and allow it time to finish syncing everything in the background. Depending on how many files you have, this could take a few minutes. While it syncs, keep an eye on the cloud icon to make sure there are no error messages or paused status indicators. If the problem was caused by a temporary account or sync glitch, this usually fixes it. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to fix a Microsoft OneDrive sync problem on Windows. Start with your internet connection, check the web version, restart your PC, make sure syncing is not paused, and if needed, unlink and sign back in. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.